बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very pretty looks of sewing craft ideas for your storage. These are very pretty, these are very unique and very amazing sewing craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very amazing. These are very unique and very stunning sewing craft ideas for you guys. These are very amazing and very unique sewing craft ideas for you guys. So guys, if you want to make these type of sewing craft, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about this, and you also want DIY tutorials about how to stitch these sewing crafts. Then you watch those DIY tutorials on YouTube. Then you easily make these type of sewing craft ideas at home. Follow for more details and leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about how much you like this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super stunning and these are gorgeous and very pretty sewing art and craft ideas for you guys. Hope so you enjoyed this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. So viewers, hope so you enjoyed these ideas. So remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.